If your child is astonished by the blinking cursor and lives to instruct the movements of the mouse, you may want to look into some of the different opportunities available in homeschooling avenues. Gone are the days when parents had to buy material from peddlers and then pass it on to their children. Now, you can purchase the full courses, materials, and test papers using the internet. A computer makes use of the visual and audio medium to turn schooling into an enjoyable task. Streaming video and audio can show various courses in tremendous detail. Of all sorts of resources available, those found on the internet empathize with an enjoyable testing center that motivates and paces the intellectual acquirement and potential level of each child. Today, anyone can take a visit to an e-library and even check out e-books for educational or entertainment use. Online education has been able to help and modify the world of traditional studies. If you are still having concerns about using educational resources on the internet, take heart in the fact that there are many college courses that are now taught online. If it's good enough for college, isn't it good enough for kindergarten through high school? Today, you can get your MBA solely from online educational resources. Don't just take my word for it, try it out for yourself, do a search for homeschooling online resources, you may be surprised. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Please stop by our site for more homeschooling info. If you are interested in a Christian, self-paced, online homeschooling course with customizable curriculum, just follow the link in the description.